Hi friends, welcome to Let's Smile 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about general operators in Tableau. In my previous video, I have already explained about different types of operators. General operators are one among them. General operators are operators that allows us to perform operations like addition, subtraction, and concatenation. Highlighted are the symbols which are used to perform general operations in Tableau. These operators are nothing but plus symbol and minus symbol. General operators can be used to add two or more numbers, add two or more measures, add a number to a date, subtract two or more numbers, subtract two or more measures, reduce the days from a date, and concatenate two strings. Let me open Tableau public application and show you how to use general operators in Tableau. I have opened Tableau public application and I'm using sample superstore data for the demonstration. I've created a new worksheet and renamed it as general operators. Now I'm going to create a calculated field because that's where most of the operations can be performed. First, I'm going to show you how to add two numbers in Tableau. This is pretty simple. As we perform simple mathematical operation or simple additions, we can write two numbers with a plus symbol in between them. So this is how we can add two numbers in Tableau. I have renamed it as addition of two numbers, and I'm creating another calculated field to show how to add two or more measures. I'm renaming the calculated field add two or more measures, and I'm clicking on OK. Sorry, let me edit the calculated field. I'm bringing the sales measure and clicking on OK, and entered plus symbol between sales, and I'm adding profit. This is the secondary measure. We can add two measures, and if we need one more measure, we can bring quantity. Depends on our requirement, we can add as many measures required. So this is how we can add two or more measures. The same way we can perform the subtraction. Now I'm going to perform subtraction. Subtraction of two numbers. 5 minus 3. So this is a simple subtraction calculation. I'm clicking on OK. The same way we can perform subtraction of two or more measures. Subtraction of two or more measures. I've renamed the calculated field as subtraction of two or more measures, and I'm selecting the fields over here. I've selected sales minus profit minus quantity, and if needed you can add one more measure also, discount. I'm selecting whatever fields available. You can select the measures meaningfully according to your requirement or need. I'm clicking on OK. Now we have covered four applications of general operators. Those are adding two or more numbers, add two or more measures, subtract two or more numbers, and subtract two or more measures. Now let's see how to add a number to a date and how to subtract a number from a date. Let me open Tableau public application and show you how to add a number to a date. I'm creating the calculated field. As I said, here is where we perform all kinds of operations. Now I'm going to take a function called today because that is going to bring us today's date. So since we are trying to look or trying to know how to add a number to a date, I am going to I have written a calculation as today plus 2. So it should return me the value of 2 days added to the current date. So let me rename the calculation. Add number to a date, and I'm clicking on OK. So I'm bringing the calculation to the text, and as soon as I bring the calculation to the text, it is displaying the year alone, so I'm changing it to exact date. So today is 13/5/2022, and I have added 2 days to that. That is why the return value is 5/15/2022, that is 13 plus 2 15. So it's working perfectly. This is how we can add a number to a date. The same way we can reduce the 2 days from today. So let's see how it can be done. Again, I've created a calculated field and I'm selecting today and today minus 2. Subtracting days, subtracting number from today. So I'm going to bring the calculation to text and changing it to exact date and changing the label to text over here. Yeah, today is 13 and we have performed a minus 2 operation. That is why 5/11/2022 is what we are seeing now. So this is the top value is a number added to a date and the bottom value is a number subtracted from a date. This is how we can do the addition and subtraction performed on a date. And we are yet to see how to perform concatenation as well. I'm going to create a calculated field and I'm taking a string. I'm just taking some simple values A, B, C and using the concatenation operator plus and D, E, F. I'm taking again 3 simple letters and I'm renaming the calculator field as concatenation and I'm clicking on OK. Let's see what it is going to bring in the text. Now we can see as soon as we use the concatenation operator, it will combine both the strings whichever we passed and combine it as a single word or single phrase, whatever you call it. So we have given, I have passed 2 values A, B, C and D, E, F. Together it is displayed as A, B, C, D, E, F. This is how you can do the concatenation as well. This is it, guys. I've covered all kinds of general operations in Tableau. Thank you, guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.